Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Shelby County, northwestern Decatur County, southeastern Johnson County, northern Bartholomew County until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbus, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Edinburgh, Hope, Flat Rock, Geneva, St. Paul, Hartsville, Clifford, Newbern, and Taylorsville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 71 and 81. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Johnson, and Shelby. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio